Hey there, I'm excited to share some valuable insights from the recently released second quarter Denver real estate market trends report. If you're interested in getting more details, just shoot over a message and I'll send you the full report right away. So what's the report say? Well, let's dive in. The post-COVID lockdown year of 2021 was a record-breaking one, but we've seen a gradual slowdown in the market in 2022 and 2023 due to the increase in mortgage rates. However, prices have remained relatively stable this year, despite the headlines and misinformation stating that a housing crash is or was supposedly coming. Now, why is that? There's still a huge lack of inventory throughout the Denver and Castle Rock markets. Inventory has been historically low, but we're starting to see some growth. Sales growth has been negative for the last 7 quarters, but we do anticipate a recovery in late 2023. And the competition for buyers has also eased up a bit as many have decided just to sit on the sidelines and wait this out. It's important to understand that the real estate market moves in long waves, so it's essential to stay informed, but not to get too caught up in the 24/7 news cycle. Instead, you want to look at the long-term trends to make informed decisions. Now, Denver has been experiencing continued strong population growth. However, unfortunately, new home builders haven't kept up with this demand, leading to continued low inventory levels. And here's an important fact. Home prices have actually appreciated in 4 out of the last 6 recessions. So don't be swayed by all those who say prices are going to fall next year. All indicators point to that if rates do drop to 6% or below, we can expect to see prices increase as we expect to then see all those buyers waiting on the sidelines jump back in the market. And with no inventory, we may see the bidding wars of 2021 and early 2022 all over again. So if you're interested in learning more about the Denver housing market or you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can also message me if you'd like me to send you this full Denver market trends report. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.